Hi friends, this is Lucky Tech and this is my first video that I am going to create on YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to share you the unboxing of Umidigi S3 Pro. So this is a Chinese brand with fully loaded features. If you compare with the all Chinese brand like Vivo, Oppo, Honor, Huawei, Xiaomi, Mizu, OnePlus, Lenovo, so these are all Chinese brand, but if you compare with the features like the quality of camera, like quality of mobile, so you get all the feature in this mobile. So I'm just going to do the unboxing of this phone, and it's really a nice brand, Umidigi. So we will start now. So I'm just opening this box with the help of this pen. So we'll see what inside of it. So it's not working, but I'm trying it. Okay, now from this side. So before opening this, I am just going to read the features of this phone. It has a chipset of MTK 6771T P70 with A73 2.1 GHz with 4 Cortex A53 2 GHz, and it's run on the latest Android operating system 9 Pi. If you see the internal memory of it, so it's 120 GHz and with a RAM of 6 GB. It consists of two nano SIM with one TF card. Memory card, you can insert it or you can extend the memory of it. The best part of this mobile is it has a large battery of 5150 milliampere, which will run 2 days as expected. And we see the screen now, and it is of 6.3 inch screen with full HD and having a 1080 by 2340 pixel sizes. So it has a great quality. If you go for the camera, so we have this great camera, 48 megapixel camera backside with a 12 megapixel camera. So this 12 megapixel camera is a telephoto camera, so you can have the better picture of it, and you will get a better selfie camera like 20 megapixel camera here, so you will have the great selfie photo as well. So network, it supports all the Indian brand like Jio, so we will not have any problem. Now I will open this box. Then ta-da! So you will see this black cover, so we'll keep this side. This is some thanks of this to buying this product, so they're thanking something. We will have this mobile. You can see it's very handy. It has a back cover, so I'll remove this one, so you can see the back of your camera. So it has a luxury ceramic finish with a curved edges with a metal frame to it. Okay, and it's a nice look, so I'll keep this aside now. I will remove these stickers and other things later. Okay, so we'll see what content this box is. So we will have this USB C port type charger. We use this C port charger for charging our mobile, and an adapter So as per its feature, we can charge this with 15-volt charger, so you will charge this very quickly. Okay, and the other things we can see, we have this SIM ejecting tools here, some paper, S3 Pro, you can read, maybe it's in English. Yeah, so it's English, so we can see how to operate the mobile and about its features and other stuff. So we can see this one later. So only this will be there in the box. So this is how the box looks like inside. Now we'll see the mobile. So I'll remove this front sticker right now, so you can see how it looks from the front. Okay, and now also remove the back panel sticker, so you can see how it is looking from the back side. So this is the Umidigi brand, and this is the front face. So we will need to restart this mobile. Okay, I will start this mobile. So I have just started this mobile. So it says hi there, so you use the English language. Start. You can connect internet. I don't have right now connected here, so I skip this one. I skip this as well. We will update this later. I'm just skipping all these things, so I will use this later. So it's inbuilt with all Google apps, fingerprint and pattern. So I use this fingerprint and pattern. So I'll use this pattern R here. Next, again R. Confirm. Now the touch screen. So we have this touch sensor at the back. So I put my finger here. So I'm using my phone from the right as well as left. So I'll use left fingerprint sensor and right as well. So you can operate from both the hands. So it's done now. Next. Again it's saying skip anyway. Now it is stopped. So you can see how the screen look like. Okay, so this is the unboxing of this Umidigi S3 Pro. So you should buy this mobile with a very low price, with having a lots of features comparing to OnePlus 7 Pro or Xiaomi products, which is on the latest market. So I bought this one in India from the Banggood side, and you will get this product approx 19,500. If you go with the marketing site like Amazon, so you will get the same product there for approx 40,000. So I will recommend that you go for that international site Banggood, and you can buy this product and enjoy the latest features of the mobile. Bye bye, have a nice day.